Friends, open PicsArt tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. The first step, go to tools, go to adjust. You have to increase the saturation to 100. Tap on tick. The next step, go to add photo and select the model image. You have to simply stretch it and arrange it on the background like this. Okay, it is perfect. Now have to go to FX and tap on this black and white and select the BNW. Okay, now tap on tick mark. Now have to tap on this eraser, tap on this erase, keep the size to 50 and opacity to around 30 and hardness to around 15. Now have to erase on the bottom portion like this. Okay, simply erase it like this. It's perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. This is a standing pose model image. Simply you have to arrange like this. Now go to shadow, tap on position, keep it 100 and keep it 100. Tap go to adjust, keep it 100 and decrease around 20. It is perfect. Now go to add photo and select the further PNGs. Some PNGs. First I am going to give a realistic look to the model. I am going to arrange the shadow below the shoes. Tap on duplicate and arrange another shadow for another shoe. Perfect. Now have to add these football players. One here, decrease the shadow, and another player you have to arrange it here, decrease the opacity. Perfect. Perfect. Now tap on tick and go to add photo and select the further PNGs. Okay, I am going to arrange helicopter here, decrease opacity and this PNG here and decrease opacity. Perfect. And arrange this football PNG here. It is perfect. And this birds PNG you can add in this portion here. It's perfect. Now tap on tick and you can give final touch up. Final PNGs, arrange these stones here. Perfect. And this light PNG, go to blend, make it screen and arrange in this portion here. Tap on tick. Now go to tools, tap on adjust, decrease brightness little bit, give little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation to little more, give little highlights and decrease little shadow, give temperature little bit. Tap on tick. Friends, finally our special dual tone photo editing tutorial is completed. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.